Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Vina. Today I have a very special treat for you. It's my Copycat recipe for 7 Leaves Sea Cream Jasmine Tea. It's one of my ultimate favorites from their menu, and trust me, it tastes exactly like the real thing.
So for this recipe, you're going to need some loose leaf jasmine tea. Make sure that it's loose leaf instead of a tea bag because you're really going to want that robust tea flavor from it. Next, you're going to want to get some granulated sugar ready. Then some heavy whipping cream, and make sure it's really cold, some sea salt, and of course a whisk. Then to top off your sea cream, you're going to want to get some matcha powder. For the first step, you're going to want to scoop out 4 tablespoons of jasmine tea into a large container. I'm using a French press here. Then to that, you're going to pour in 3 cups of boiling water, and you're going to let that steep for 5 minutes, no more and no less. Then, after the 5 minutes is up, you're going to strain and pour out your tea into a large cup or a mason jar. Next, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And I know it sounds like a lot, but in order to get that true boba shop taste, you just gotta do it. Then you're going to stir your tea until all the sugar dissolves and let that cool in the refrigerator for a couple of hours for it to cool completely. Next, in a bowl, you're going to pour in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, add a pinch of salt, and then get out your whisk and whisk until soft peaks form. I'm using a milk frother here, but feel free to use a hand mixer or a whisk to get those soft peaks. Then, to a large cup with a lid, or even better, a cocktail shaker, you're going to add in some ice and about 1.5 cups of your tea. And what we're going to do with this is that we're going to use this to shake up the tea and create bubbles in it, hence the name bubble tea. I find that this step is really crucial because not only does it make your tea really cold, but it also forms a layer of bubbles for that sea cream to sit on top without mixing completely. After pouring out your tea into your serving cup, you're going to place a layer of the sea cream on top of your tea. To make that pretty sprinkling of matcha on top of the sea cream, you're going to place your matcha through a sieve like so. And there you have it, 7 Leaves Sea Cream Jasmine Tea at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know how it turned out.